I booked the workshop, it was recommended to me. I was looking to improve my skills in studio photography and especially with models, not knowing anything really about how to shoot a model, the lighting.
What I liked about it, I'd not really worked with lighting much before. Natasha explained how things worked, the different types of lighting, and I was really quite pleased with them. And we got the opportunity to take them, try them, look at them. So I was actually very pleased with the first couple of shots, to be honest with you.
I think with Natasha being a model and a photographer, she can understand both sides of the camera and the model side of it.
I think that process has made it much better, so that any working in future, I feel I'm more sort of educated, if you like, to work better with people.
I definitely recommend Natasha's workshop for anybody who's not done any studio work, and it really does help you in your photography.
I'd certainly recommend the session. Natasha knows a trade, and she also knows how to talk to people and how to educate people, and to that end it's a total win-win situation.